Welcome to Review Lab. The Best Soundtouch 20 is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly smart speakers on the market, offering a compelling blend of audio quality, connectivity options, and smart home integration that makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their home audio experience. Whether you're streaming music, listening to podcasts, or controlling your smart devices, this speaker aims to deliver a seamless and immersive sound experience that adapts to your lifestyle. Number 5. Bose TV Speaker. Tired of straining to hear your TV? This simple soundbar is designed to clarify speech, offering an easy fix for better audio. Experience a more realistic and spatial audio with two-angle drivers. It delivers better TV sound from a compact design. This device specifically focuses on clarifying vocals and pronunciation. You'll never miss a word of your favorite shows again. Stream your favorite music and podcasts wirelessly by pairing your device. It also offers multiple input options for other devices. Get started in minutes with a single connection to your TV. Setup is straightforward, getting you up and running quickly. Its small size allows for easy placement in front of your TV or even wall mounting. It fits seamlessly into your entertainment setup. Easily adjust your audio experience with the included remote. Enhance speech or add bass boost for a richer sound. What we like. If you're tired of straining to hear dialogue on your TV, this is the solution. Its enhanced dialogue mode makes every word crystal clear. If you want a straightforward audio upgrade without complex setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The sound clarity, range, and quality is so far beyond the Sony that there is no comparison. This one she compliments about the good sound. Was easy to hook up, just don't do what I did and put it upside down and say why won't it connect. She isn't a tech savvy, so Bluetooth was her cup of tea. She liked it better to hook up to the TV directly. So it's compatible with Bluetooth and hardwired. Quality of sound, loudness, looks great, short enough to fit on a desk for PC setup, no voice control Alexa, variety of connection HDMI ARC, optical, AUX in, additional bass, Bluetooth connectivity. Number 4. Bose Soundtouch Speaker Power Cord Replacement. Ensure your Bose Soundtouch devices stay powered up with this reliable replacement power cord. It's designed to perfectly fit your speakers, soundbar, and bass modules. Enjoy greater flexibility with an extended 8.2-foot length. This cord provides ample reach, making it easier to connect your devices wherever you need them. Crafted for safety and durability, this cord features a fully molded design. It's built to last, offering long-lasting strength and consistent performance. Specifically designed as a two-prong AC power cord replacement, it's ideal for your Bose Soundtouch 10, 20, 30 speakers, Soundtouch 300 soundbar, and bass module 500-700 subwoofers. This figure 8 connector C7 power cable is rated to carry 10A and 7A at 125V. It features a standard NEMA 1-15P male plug for secure connection. Your package will include one 2-prong replacement power cord cable. It's the perfect solution for lost or worn-out cords. What we like. If your current power cord is too short or has gone missing, this replacement is a lifesaver. Its extended length offers more flexibility in placing your Bose Soundtouch devices. If you need a reliable and durable cord for your speaker or subwoofer, this is a great choice. What people say. This fit perfectly for our Bose speaker. Works great deaf by 2. There's always someone that will lose the cord. Needed a longer cable and this got the job done. Number 3. Bose SoundLink Micro Bluetooth Speaker. Experience surprisingly loud and clear sound with deep bass from this compact speaker. Its custom-designed components deliver crisp, balanced audio for any setting. Take your music anywhere with its durable, tear-resistant strap. Easily attach it to your gear for secure listening on the go. This speaker is built tough with a rugged exterior that resists drops, dents, and scratches. Its soft touch finish stays looking great. Don't worry about the elements. It's rigorously tested to be waterproof, dustproof, and protected from extreme conditions, so you can use it anywhere. Enjoy up to 6 hours of continuous music on a single charge. Power up easily with the included cable whenever you need it. Take calls directly through the speaker thanks to the integrated microphone. You can also access your phone's voice assistant with a simple button press. Stay up to date with the latest software and customize settings via the app. Plus, easily sync it with other compatible Bose products for a seamless audio experience. What we like. If you love taking your music outdoors or to the beach, this speaker is your perfect companion. It's built to withstand the elements and deliver surprisingly big sound for its size. If you need a rugged, waterproof speaker that's easy to carry and offers great audio quality, look no further. What people say. The sound quality is really good for something so small. The speaker attaches to my bike via a stretchy silicone strap in the back. It's a tiny beast. Sound and bass, is it a good replacement for my laptop or phone speakers while traveling? Yes. Small footprint or small size for easy portability, does it fit inside a small backpack or laptop bag? Yes. Weatherproof and waterproof, can I enjoy music while taking a shower or camping outside? Yes. Number 2. Bose Soundtouch Replacement Power Cord. Ensure your Bose Soundtouch music system stays powered with this high-quality replacement AC cable. It's designed to perfectly fit your device, providing a stable connection. This 8-foot cord is the ideal replacement for your Bose Soundtouch 10, 20, or 30 series music system. If your original cord is lost or damaged, this is the solution. Don't let a faulty power cord interrupt your music. Easily replace your old, broken, or misplaced cable to get your system back up and running. Enjoy greater flexibility with an 8-foot length. This provides extra distance between your device and the wall outlet for added convenience. Featuring a standard NEMA 1-15P to IEC 320C7 connection, it plugs directly into any standard 2-prong AC outlet. The 18AWG cable ensures safe and reliable power delivery up to 125V10A. Each package contains one 8-foot, 2.5-meter, AC power cord. Get everything you need to power your Bose Soundtouch system. What we like. If you've lost or damaged the power cord for your Bose Soundtouch music system, this is the perfect replacement. It offers an extended length for more convenient placement. If you need a dependable and specifically designed power cable for your Bose system, this is the one to get. What people say. Worked like a charm. Awesome, perfect fit for Bose Soundtouch 10. Perfect fit and quick delivery. Number 1. Bose Soundtouch Replacement Power Cable. Ensure your Bose Soundtouch system stays powered up with this reliable replacement AC power cord. It's designed to perfectly fit your music system, bass module, or subwoofer. This 8.2 feet long power cord offers extended reach, giving you more flexibility in placing your device. No more struggling with short or inconveniently placed outlets. Crafted with a fully molded design, this cord is built for long-lasting strength and performance. Its durable construction ensures a safe and stable connection. Specifically designed as a replacement for Bose Soundtouch Series 10, 20, 30, bass module 500, 700, and subwoofer. It's the ideal solution for lost or worn-out cords. Featuring a 2-prong design, this AC extension power cord provides a safe and secure connection. It meets safety standards for reliable use with your audio equipment. With 18AWG wiring and a 10A7A125V rating, this power cable is built to handle the demands of your Bose system. Enjoy uninterrupted music playback. What we like. If you're looking for a longer power cable to better position your Bose Soundtouch system or subwoofer, this is an excellent option. Its durable, fully molded design ensures longevity. If you need a reliable 8.2-foot extension cord that's compatible with various Bose Soundtouch models, this is the one to consider. What people say. Item worked as described for my Bose Soundtouch 10 replacement cord. Misplaced my cord from my Bose Soundtouch, had to buy a new one. This did the trick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.